welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be the unboxing of the daily goodie box. The daily goodie box, which is the free subscription box that has totally completely free samples for you. Free samples. Most of them are full size, so that gives you the opportunity to try it truly instead of a pack that is a foil pack to try for once and you really don't know if you really daily like goodie box brings samples that I really haven't seen, products out there that are very new or I just haven't tried at all. So I liked that they have very or surprising items for link me. To subscribe to them to be potentially qualified to get a new box every month is down in the description box, as well as a link for you to subscribe to my channel and to follow me in the other social medias. Let's get to opening the box. Daily goodie box only asks you for you to review the items that are included in the box in return of the item. So they're free, but they'll ask you to review it. Just above there it says that. Now really here it is, items. So let's get to open it. I like to be surprised, so I just go in there and then take out potato chip taste, Bubba's fine foods, kettle corn, banana chips, ground garlic parm, banana with garlic. Look at this little baggie. Banana with garlic. I like the little monkey thing, and I like the little baggie. Let's see. Let's give it. Luna says no, she doesn't. Let's put it right here and go open it just in a minute, okay? Let's see. Let's get to opening another spot. Another little baggie here with nutritional yeast, superfood. Looking for the perfect vegan cheese powder? Well, here it is. Oral natural nutritional yeast provides the great cheesy flavor you're looking for without the use of synthetic additives. Wow, Foods Alive, not fortified yeast. And it's a good little packet, and it says this. It's until 2020, so vegan, gluten-free. It's an ounce, but it's good. Like, you can really taste out of this. The next thing that Luna opened over here, because she already uncovered everything. Box. It was open. It's all natural shortbread. I'm going to butcher this. Flathau's shortbread cookies. A little snap of sweetness. Look at this.
How it tastes?
Yeah, Luna. Look at this little baggie. Or this little box. It's cute. Now, won't you tell me this is not a full-size sample? Yes, it is. Let's get to opening the bag. It's upside down a bit. So we're gonna open it. Shortbread cookies. And they look just like this. The Hemp bar, Mocha chip. It's a bar, just like that. Hemp bar, 12 grams of protein. Join the evolution. Just a hemp bar. It's a full size. Out of these, you really can taste if you like it or not. Hemp. Hemp or not. So give it a try. I have the shortbread. Natralia. I have tried products from Natralia that Daily Goodie Box has introduced to me, and they are good. This is a heel balm for rough, dry feet. Do they know me? Do they know me? I have rough, dry feet. This is visible results in 3 days, clinically proven formula. So I'm very excited about this because I do have rough, and not like this looking kind of thing, but I do have rough heels. I say heels. Rough or rough, dry feet. So visibly results in 3 days. Very excited about that. Then it's a drink. Most of the time they include a drink, or every other box they include a drink. The drinks that I like, it's like only one because I'm very picky about my drink. But you might like it. This is a crisp, fresh, cool, dry, sparkling cucumber, naturally flavored soda with other natural flavors. Cucumber soda. Now, for items that I don't taste in camera, I do box if at the end I like it or not, or maybe when I'm editing I've already tasted and I put if I like it or not. So if I don't taste it here, make sure you like watch the video completely, look at the little things, or go in the description box to see if I like it or not. Cucumber, I do like cucumbers, so this might be good. This also might be good as to put it in my husband's lunch. And the last thing here I think is this Aqua Biome, the world's first omega blend designed for a healthy microbiome fish oil classic strength. So these are fish oil pills. This is good for everybody. And you are one step closer to vibrant health. Oh, I like these. It says vibrant health for heart, brain, immunity, skin, joints. It's 60 grams of BCA, 240 grams of EPA, 480 grams of DHA. The optical omega blend is 1,200 mega. It's 22 gels. Now look at this. Full size. You can really try if you really like them. They are completely sealed. Look at this. It's fish oil, 22 soft gels, and it says hint of lemon. It has a hint of lemon in fish. Your dinner. Look at this. I might give it a try. My dad is the one that actually takes fish oil pills, but I'm not sure if he takes the 1200 mg ones, but this is a nice thing to have. It's friend of the sea. Clean label protection, no marring laboratory. With every bottle you buy, you're helping to plant a new coral. Oh, why a coral safer reef? Wow. Good. This is good for digestion, mood, health, brain, cardiovascular, immune system, and energy level. This is all fish pills in the front, and right at the inside comes the usual. And it comes one of these two little foil packages with after sun facial moisturizer, and green tea and oat, Parm hydrates and a fish. I think this is for sunburn. Do they know me? It's this little two foily ones. You can try, you can give it a try. You can actually like review a little bit, but not so much. But it's nice to have these little things right there. Put it in your baggie. So they have the Bubba food grain snacks, and that was the banana chips. And then Foods Alive with the cereal thing with the yeast. And then code PC20 and you get 20% of your next purchase of the SolarDerm protection after the sun thing, the foil little things. And then there's a whole thing infomercial of buy a bottle of a safer reef fish pills that they also have fish oil and other things. But yeah, that's really nice. This box, they kind of nailed it on almost everything that they included. Those shortbread cookies are delicious. I think those are my favorite food items that they included in the box. So the cookies, of course, I'm just showing you the box because Luna has them. Look at that. Then we have the heel balm, a must. This is my favorite out of the other items. Yes, the Bubba's Food Fine Kettle Cooked Chips. Let me try this one so you don't stay without me trying them. I really like the baggie. Okay, let's see. Banana chips. Really delicious. They taste just like kettle corn chips from Costco. Yum. I really think the banana and garlic would taste good, but yum. Really nice. Then I have the hemp bar, which I will try later. The fish oil pills. And the yeast. And the two little after sun facial moisturizers. Oh, and the cucumber drink. Yay! Look at that. A full box of full free samples that you can get right at the front. Click on the doorstep down and click on the description and click on the link that is in the description so you can sign up for a daily goodie box to come your way. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Please subscribe. And if you already did, thank you very much. and I will see you next time.